that somebody needs to learn about the crypto market. Yes, very, 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 very lucrative. You understand, sir? So I just want people to have a balanced knowledge and
Okay.
understanding about the crypto space. Is very, very important.
Okay.
It's very, very important. Yes, sir. And there are other alternatives to digital assets. There are people who are making millions of naira on affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
Millions upon naira. This one, if you can have the market base, you'll be making your money cool money.
Yeah.
There are some people like my kid bro just finished school. He finished his service around last year, and I was one that introduced him into the crypto space. But like because he was good into content writing while in the university days, as I'm talking to you, he's making $250 every month. It's a
Okay.
fixed income for him. Yes, and this is one of his huge income. So the digital asset is like a trend in this our age, of which the crypto market is part of it. You understand, sir? So
Yes.
that is all yeah. So if people are to go into digital assets, there has to be an information that will give them a balance. For example, people that started this crypto stuff as of maybe 3 weeks ago, they are beginning to feel the heat of the market, and they are beginning to have a kind of perception that what's really happening, not knowing that it's part of it.
Okay.
So that is all I have to say, sir.
Okay.
Thank you for the privilege, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
so much. So we presented a chart on the bull, on the whole bull thing. When do you, or when have analysts said this bull run is likely to end, and what do you have to say about that?
Okay, okay, sir. By the grace of God, before I started the crypto market, I was a forex trader, and Pastor Jimmy really taught us about the forex market. So I got to understand some fundamentals and analysis about the market. Now, concerning the crypto space, people tend to limit the scope of the crypto market to technical analysis, of which it is not. One of the biggest factor of the crypto market is news. News.
Okay.
Any news that is negative can bring down the market. Any
Okay.
news, for example, the decline in Bitcoin and other altcoins was as a result. People talked about a power outage in China due to
Okay.
some policies in China, and that the miners tend to have some challenges, and it affected the market. So from the technical analysis is good, fundamental analysis is good, but I think just like what happened this evening, there's a sharp decline. Reason being that the State House of the United States of America released in news that they are going to double the tax, the tax interest of wealthy Americans, and it affected the price. So this is not about the technicals. This is not about the fundamentals. It is about the news.
Okay.
Then on the hierarchy, there's what we call the news. We have governmental policies where the government of Turkey, even Nigeria, were trying to ban the crypto market. So it affects the price to a level. If you should notice, the value of fiat tend to reduce in price.
Okay.
You understand, sir?
Yeah.
So governmental policies tend to affect the price of markets,
Oh.
and also fundamentals also
Oh.
affect the price. So if I were to look at the extent at which the bull market will run, I think the market is in a turbulent mood. It's in a
Okay.
turbulent mood. It could be that when the miners are stable and people are able to see the outcome of the policies of the President Biden administration, then we can now know the way forward. But as it is now, as a matter, before I even joined this meeting, I sold all my assets because I'm not ready to lose money.
Okay.
So let's see how the outcome of everything will look like. Then we can start talking about the shift from the bearish trend to the bull trend. But overall market, we are still in a bull cycle. But
Okay.
it seems there's a divergence now. But
Okay.
let's see how the outcome will look like, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
so much for your views. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right. So, any other person with any other input or question?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Peter Okoye. I want to use the opportunity to thank Kingdom Giants for this opportunity to learn about what is trending in the world right now. Thank you very much, Kingdom Giants. And thank you, Sir Greg, for the opportunity and for your sound teachings. We
Thank
are
you.
very grateful.
Thank you.
So, I also have been in the market for some time. I want to appreciate Jerome and Gabriel for contributing. They made very sound points. I want to just comment from where Gabriel stopped. The market has been profitable since we are being on a bullish run. I don't know if everybody understands the financial jargons we are speaking, but I believe Sagret will be able to help us to break them down.
Okay.
Just for those who are not really, who are new to the crypto. So that is the bullish. I don't know. Okay, let's just say the buying trend. A trend that goes that people buy. So maybe you understand it for those who are new. So this trend has been profitable. I have also made some reasonable profits from the investment I have done within the period of time I've engaged in this market. And all thanks to the information that I got. Now, for you to enter this market, you have to be very much armed with the right information. It's very, very important. If not, just as Greg mentioned, the market is highly volatile. So in a twinkle of an eye, you can lose your whole money that you put. And in a twinkle of an eye, you can double your money for 100%, sometimes more than that. So information is just key, and you must seek your information from the right sources because there are several information around that which you will need to filter from. Just as Gabriel said, the crypto market is moving, and it's something that if you pay attention to it, you can be one of the beneficiaries. Just like trade by barter that came, now the next game, I think for a period of time, just as Sir Greg said, that people have watched it for 10 years and it's working. So since it's working, more players are coming into the game. Very soon, you might see government, some of the institutional investors coming into the game to play because they see value from this asset class.
Hello, sir. Please, sorry, can I chip into something? Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, while we were talking, I just tend to look at the chart and I discovered that there was this coin that I bought that I just showed up some minutes ago. The coin has gone deep. It has gone deeper, and the price of Bitcoin has dropped by 5% in the last 24 hours, and that's very, very crazy. You understand, sir? And like you were talking about the bull cycle.
Yes.
Now, from my little understanding about bull trend, there is I don't know. I think people that understand technical analysis, there's what we call all-time high, and there's what we call all-time low. Yes. In a calendar, when a market crosses a calendar all-time high and enters into a new cycle, they tend to call it an all-time high, which marks the beginning of a bull trend. Now, there's a perception that Africans have of which when they get an asset, they want to make, let's say, 500% in a coin. Now, Americans believe in little profits. Now, if you buy a coin for $20 and maybe for 6 months, you're able to make 5% of it, you are still in a bullish trend. Yes. You understand, sir?
Yes.
So bullish trend is not about you entering and you make profit. It could be that you bought from the top. Somebody can buy from the bottom, can buy from the middle, and you buy from the top, and you'll be in a loss, of which you are still in a bullish trend. You understand, sir? So
Okay.
that is a very good understanding to it, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Gabriel.
Yes, sir.
Peter, you can go on.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Gabriel, for that insight. Yes, just as I was saying, information is very key. So we must get the information right, because the right source of information will give you an edge. There are so many people also that have entered inside the same markets that two people have given testimony, and me, I'm the third person that's giving testimony that they've made considerable profits. And some other people that have gone to the market and have made terrible losses. So it's a two-way thing. That is why it is very important that you are armed with the right information. And I don't know if there will be provisions from Kingdom Giants or whichever place or from this class or this meeting. But getting the right information is very, very key if you want to succeed in this crypto market. So that will be my contribution for now, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
All right. Thank you so much. Anyone else have something to say, question or contribution? As we are gradually winding down. Anyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Dami.
Yes, sir. So a big thank you to you and a big thank you to Kingdom Giants. So quick one.
Okay.
I think where we are now is similar to was it 2016, 15, 16 year about when MMM came. Then after MMM, a lot of other Ponzi websites came. So there were Ponzi websites every single day that were coming. So randomly people were creating websites and just collecting money, and it was closing in 24 hours. It is very similar with the tokens now. So tokens can be created by anybody. You get that?
Yes.
So a lot of people are jumping on tokens, and like without information that was said by Mr. Gabriel and the other person that just finished speaking now. So there isn't adequate information about what you're jumping on, but you just see a token just launches and you're just on it. And you don't even know if there is volume, if there is momentum, if there's a drive to push the market. You don't even know how long it will last. And because we've just seen 500% profit and you just enter into the market, it will like the other time come back again, because there isn't, people are just in the market just to get money and go out. So immediately they're able to get something from it, they're out of it. What if you're entering at that point when they are going out? They're not going to suffer the losses. So I think that the place of information is very important. You must understand that you, as much as you want to make quick money or you want to be profitable on time, you must know how. You must be informed, you must be well equipped, and you must also be willing to lose money at the same time. So I just decided, said let me add to what has been said already.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Any final inputs as we round up? All right. Great. We've had a conversation around this, and I think somebody spoke about bull run. If not everybody here may understand, a bull run is just literally a period where the market keeps appreciating in value. That's what it literally means. So this is just a term. These are part of the cryptocurrency jargons. It's just a continual appreciation of the entire cryptocurrency assets simultaneously together for a period of time. That's what a bull run is. So with regards to information, people that came on board, there are some numbers on the flyers, right? You can send them. I'm sure everyone here has seen those flyers before you got here. You can send a message to that, the WhatsApp chat to them saying we are interested in getting more information on this. Then we may see how we can communicate or link you up to credible places where you get balanced information. Why we are having this conversation is because there's a lot of hype around now, and we don't just want people even from this community and people that are also curious that looked at this and wanted to be part of this, just jump in on the bandwagon. Cryptocurrency is a thing now. You need to do it with understanding. So we had this conversation so that we all can understand, okay, okay, what is it? Why is it moving? What is happening? If certain conditions are removed from the market, we need to keep on appreciating. You need to know all this. So that's why we are having this conversation, and it's just to open our eyes. So at this point, if there's no further questions or input, we'll be ending the meeting shortly. Then you can always send a message to those numbers, and they'll get information across to you where you need to be to get more understanding before you get fully invested in the market. So any final inputs before we call it a night? The earlier recording of the presentation will be uploaded later, so you can just look at it. If you missed it, you can just look through the information. We actually presented a lot of data that will be helpful, whether you are new or you have been in the game for long. It will be helpful in your decision making. So any inputs before we call it a night? Anyone? All right. So thank you. Okay. Peter?
Yeah. Hello, sir. I want
Yes.
to use the opportunity to appreciate Kingdom Giants for putting together this platform to educate the general public for this trend that is going on, so that we'll not make wrong decisions and will be properly guided. I believe that's why this platform has been put together. And I want to encourage those who are just new into crypto to go ahead and make research. And I don't know if Sir Greg can do us the favor of putting or sharing that flyer maybe on the screen, so that those who now have the opportunity to see the flyer before coming, maybe they also the link and also use the opportunity. And for the sake of recording purpose, those who might go through the video, maybe on later period, might see the numbers so that they can message them and get the information so that they are properly guided.
Okay.
So thank you once again, and thanks to the community.
All right. Thank you. So the flyer is actually on display currently. Those are the numbers. You can always send them WhatsApp messages, and they'll plug you to a right information source that can work on your understanding as you get in contact with this particular digital asset called cryptocurrencies. Right. All right. So thank you all. Thank you for your time. Thank you. This is brief and quite straight to the point. So
thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, sir.
All right. Good night, everyone. All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Good
night.
Thank you.
Good night.
All right.
Good night. Thank you very much, sir, for this section. We really do appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right.